This video is an unboxing of the Craftsman Smart Garage Door Opener. It's a 1¼ horsepower DC motor. I'll be replacing a motor that is about 12 years old. Let's open up the box and see what's inside. Well, sorry. It is a belt drive, and what I'll be replacing is a chain drive that's been pretty noisy. There's the belt. This looks like a control panel if your garage is wired for an outdoor control panel. There's the cap to go over the motor to cover where the belt comes around. And then we have the brackets for the motion sensors at the bottom of the garage door frame. Then we have a lot of hardware. And pulley. Some of the parts I'll be using from the current garage door. This is one of the reasons I got this garage door opener. There's a backup battery, so if the power goes out and you're outside and it's raining, you can still open your garage door. And then the all-important motor. Tomorrow I hope to be installing this bad boy in my garage. These are the motion detectors. The pad for inside the garage. Another reason I got this motor. My current garage door opener simply has a doorbell button to push to open the garage door. This is programmable, and one of the features I really like is the fact that you can set it for timed closing 5 minutes or 10 minutes or even any random time you choose, so the garage door won't stay open all night like mine has a couple of times in the past. Embarrassing to say, but true. And also a garage door opener for the vehicle. And a second garage door opener for the wife. That's awesome. I failed to mention that the track is also included at the bottom of the box.